Welcome to AI Assembled, the top AI news for small business. I'm Chris Doelle, and each week I bring you the most important AI developments that can transform your business. Let's dive into this week's top stories.
Let's start with our first story. Google just launched Gemini 3, and it's making waves across the tech industry. Salesforce CEO Mark Benioff publicly declared he's abandoning ChatGPT in favor of Gemini 3, calling the leap in capability insane. The model achieved a record 1,501 ELO score on LM Arena, surpassing previous benchmarks. Within 48 hours of launch, Gemini 3 was deployed to 2 billion users via Google Search and 650 million Gemini app users. Other tech leaders, including OpenAI's Sam Altman, have praised its performance. Why this matters for your business? The AI race just got a lot more competitive. If you've standardized on ChatGPT for business operations, it's worth testing Gemini 3 alongside it. The speed and reasoning improvements could impact everything from customer service responses to content creation. More importantly, with Gemini 3 powering Google Search AI overviews, how your business appears in AI-generated search results is changing right now. Companies need to optimize content for AI citation, not just traditional SEO. Our second story is about pricing that could finally make AI accessible to every small business. Starting December 1st, Microsoft is dropping the price of Microsoft 365 Copilot for Business from $30 to $21 per user per month for companies with 300 or fewer employees. They're also offering promotional bundles, Business Standard plus Copilot for just $22 per month through March 2026. This includes AI integration across Word, Excel, Outlook, and Teams. Why this matters for your business? The $9 price drop might not sound huge, but it signals something bigger. Microsoft heard from smaller companies that cost was a barrier, and they're responding. More importantly, this means your competitors will start adopting these tools. If you've been on the fence about AI-powered productivity tools, the December through March promotional window is your opportunity to test them at a lower cost. The question isn't whether to adopt AI assistants anymore, it's which platform fits your workflow best. Story number 3 focuses on visibility. OpenAI partnered with DoorDash and Score to launch the Small Business AI Jam, a nationwide hands-on workshop across 5 cities: San Francisco, New York, Houston, Detroit, and Miami. Over 1,000 small business owners are learning to build AI tools tailored to their specific needs, from drafting marketing materials to improving customer communication. Participants range from restaurants and retailers to professional services like accounting and law firms. Why this matters for your business? This isn't just about one event. It represents a fundamental shift in who has access to AI expertise. OpenAI's survey found that 60% of small business owners expect real efficiency gains from hiring workers with AI skills. If you're not upskilling your team, you're falling behind competitors who are. The good news? Resources like OpenAI Academy's online hub are available whether you attend the jam or not. The barrier to entry for AI literacy has never been lower, which means the competitive advantage goes to those who act now. Our fourth story is about how customers find you. Answer Engine Optimization, or AEO, is replacing traditional SEO as the primary way businesses get discovered online. Customers are no longer just typing keywords into Google. They're asking ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI overviews for recommendations like, what's the best CRM for my 10-person company? If your business isn't referenced in those AI-generated answers, you're invisible to a growing segment of customers. Traffic from AI search has significantly higher conversion rates because users perceive AI tools as trusted advisors. Why this matters for your business? This is urgent. You don't need a massive marketing budget, but you do need to restructure your online presence. Start with a simple frequently asked questions page using question and answer format. Add schema markup so AI can parse your content. Make sure your business description is consistent across Google Reviews, Yelp, LinkedIn, and industry forums. The businesses that optimize for AEO now will dominate their local markets as this shift accelerates. Those that ignore it will wonder why their phone stopped ringing, even though their traditional SEO rankings haven't changed. And our fifth story brings it all together with investment news. The UK government announced a £24 billion AI investment package, while Cursor AI reached a £29.3 billion valuation after raising $1 billion in Series D funding. Perplexity AI invested £80 million in London offices. Microsoft and Vantage Data Centers are investing £10 billion in South Wales alone, creating 5,000 jobs. This isn't just about big tech companies. It's about AI infrastructure becoming embedded in every business operation. Why this matters for your business? These massive investments signal where the economy is heading. AI isn't a trend that might fade. It's infrastructure, like electricity or the internet. Companies using AI coding tools like Cursor are merging 39% more pull requests and shipping updates 3 times faster than competitors. The businesses thriving in 2026 and beyond will be those treating AI as essential infrastructure, not optional technology. If you're still debating whether AI is worth the investment, the market has already answered that question. The only remaining question is how quickly you'll adapt.
That's it for this week's AI Assembled, the top AI news for small business. If you found this valuable, share it with a fellow business owner. If you want a hands-on group that you can work with on your specific AI needs, consider joining Business Success Academy at freshmediaworks.com/BSA. Until next week, keep innovating and keep it real.